sitting up, down like my scraper. Feeling dangerous, I thought you was my anchor. But you ain't shit, and on some real shit. Tell me what the problem is. Say you gon' do better, but it's always just the opposite. How you fumble the baddest bitch? Are you a dumb nigga? You got nerve telling me all these...
Good morning, guys, and I am back with a freaking tutorial, okay? Today I will be reviewing some hair from my local beauty store. I got a frontal, 3 bundles, 2 30-inch, 128, and then I also will be mixing a little bit of this hair that I have from a previous install and to give it like some burgundy streaks. So we are going to get into the cap, which I have just laid, and I'm waiting for my glue to dry. As y'all can see, I marked where my frontal, well, it don't stop all the way back there, but you know, that's just like a good measurement. And here is the frontal. I just washed it. You know, I like to wash my hair. I like to wash my hair before I use it. I washed it, and I also cut some baby hairs, as well as measured and cut the lace and stuff like that. Let me see. Let me put my phone down. Here, okay. Let y'all get into the lace, because the lace is pretty good once I do what I need to do to it. I can't even show you, honestly. But take a look at this. See how you can see my fingers through it like that? That means that it is good. Look how transparent that is. You can see my shirt, honestly, through it. So I'm excited to, you know, get into this. And then, of course, I got my bundles. They dry, and I got to comb them out because they are tangled because I washed everything together like a crazy person. So I'll be back once I have cut and applied my second layer of glue. Okay, get into it. Get into it. We are on to the second round of glue. Yes, we are. And I'm going to let this dry till it's clear. I never got to wash my forehead. It's okay, because my front's not going on my forehead. As long as I gotta wash the top part, I'm cool. I'm gonna be putting this on after I coat the bottom part here in my foundation and stuff. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I use for a foundation. I recently just started using this. I love this. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see, because it's shining in. Let me take the cap off. I left the plastic on, that's why it's reflecting. Okay, it's called Blur FX. Yeah, that's why. Let me see. Yeah, there we go, that's better. Blur FX. It's definitely a color match, like literally same color. I love it. Pop that out. Just gonna take a little bit of this and some of this. I combined that with my LA Color powder, foundation powder, just because I don't be wanting it to be wet. I don't know. And I wouldn't say I combine it. I just lightly go over this part with the powder just to see it, because the powder is actually fairly light. So I just go over like the back part that people don't get to see with the powder, and then I do the foundation itself on the brim, like this upper part. If I'm honest, yeah, you see, like this powder is the lightest ever, and now I'm finna go in with the foundation. I know y'all gonna be talking shit about me using the freaking, I'm gonna have to bleep out cuss words. And then look, that foundation, it literally pops right up as soon as you put it on there. Yeah. Yes, literally. So if anybody tells you that powder is better than is the stick or the liquid, they're lying, because this shows way better. Okay, and my lace. I mean, I should do the whole thing right, y'all. Just give me a second, man. I know it's been a minute since I've done a YouTube video. I have had numerous wigs. I just always forget to film. Yeah, literally, I always forget to film the installing part. Because I'll be doing my hair for like, I think it takes 2 hours tops for me to install a wig already made. And if I have to do a sew-in and a frontal, I think, yeah, I give it about an hour, 2 hours. I already had braids already from the previous wig, so I didn't have to do that step. Okay, we're all colored. And I'll be back once I have it installed. Alright guys, I am back. I have it installed. As you can see, it's a little paste. It's still a little tacky from me spraying. I got to spray as the final touches. I'm about to put the headband on and sew down the back piece and get started on my bundles. Y'all, this is turning out really good. I'm taking my time. So stay tuned. This is really going to be cute. Alright guys, let me give y'all a good, let me see if I can give y'all a good view of what's going on. Okay, I am currently, okay, I am almost to the top, okay, and I have started to add the red. This is the burgundy. I'm only gonna do at least one or two layers of this, and then I'm gonna cut it and then finish off with the black. So stay tuned. I will be back once I have started on my baby hairs, which I am conveniently keeping down under this thing here. All right, we have made it here, guys. I know you guys missed some of the important part, like the sewing in the tracks part and all that stuff, but this is what we are looking at. I'm gonna put the phone camera right here. Okay, of course this is the front, other side, the back. Y'all see the red? Yes, wait till I straighten it. I haven't straightened it yet. This is literally just done. Yeah, I'm fucking with it. I gotta bleep that out next, but I love it. Okay. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I will be back to you guys with another install very soon. Stay tuned.
All these threats when you wrong, that's a big trigger. How you figure? Ain't the woman that